You like it? Be happy. This is just a quick vlog. So mostly it's just going to be listening to birds, footsteps, stuff like that. Because this past couple of days have been nuts. But I wanted to bring you something. So I am. It's like halfway about to rain. I kind of look like I'm in the fog. But I gotta check in on you guys. Girls, men, women. Make sure you're all okay. So with that, let's go. I'm easily amused. Look how green this grass is. I got my sneakers washed. And I always wear two different because the laundry monsters somehow always take one of my socks that were matching. I hope you're not bored by this, but this is just a vlog. Happy, because past couple of days have been crazy. I have another subject kind of video, but for now, hold on. What's that? I have no idea where this bird is coming from, but she's loud. And look at these little flowers. Oh, those are pretty cool. Everything is about to bloom. You know, it's good. Well, you can't really see it, but I'm also very, very fascinated by the sky. There was some weird stuff going on like a couple nights ago. My brother by marriage showed me. It was like purple and like crazy colors. Yeah. Because I have weird, like strobes and stuff. Lights, like stars, and call them stars, and they like flicker and stuff. It's crazy. Yeah, and it was happening like across my street from the front, and I think I might have a video or two of it also that I can maybe pull up that I have saved. It's crazy though. The way they move is not like a star. And then there's a big field over here where they play baseball. And some people let their dogs go here off the leash, which they're not supposed to, but my dogs don't go to the park anymore. She does not give a crap. She is busy. She is a girl on a mission. You don't want to be out of the camera? Bye. can't see them. I can only hear them. I actually think they're way behind here. Or are they actually behind me? Yeah. That was like a hawk or something. And I had one come right in front of my car, like headlight level, but further out. And I could see its brown and white feathers and the shape of its chest and its beak. It was crazy. Never saw that before, but it was also like kind of coming this way. It was probably getting obviously something that I didn't see. Can you hear the wind and the bird?